Welcome. I am Elena. Congratulations on your beautiful new Onyx home. We are so excited for you and your family to move in. Today, I will walk you through your On Alba home orientation. Today's virtual home orientation will cover all the essential aspects you need to know about your home before moving in. At the end of this home orientation, you will receive an email requesting your home buyer acknowledgement signature, confirming that you have completed the home orientation presentation. The email will also have a questionnaire link you must complete to ensure you are familiar with this information. Once we receive your home buyer acknowledgement signature, we will invite you for the home walkthrough inspection to begin closing. You will receive an email with details of your home walkthrough inspection. Here are the topics we will cover in today's Onyx Home Orientation video guide. Certifications. X Plus Homeowner Application. Warranty. Utilities. Keys and handover. HOA. Fraud prevention. Next steps. Let us discuss your home certifications and survey. There are 3 important documents for your home. First is occupancy certificate. The building department issues the certificate of occupancy following the completion of all inspections and permits. Second is elevation certificate. The elevation certificate details your property's location, flood zone, and building characteristics. Third is survey. The survey details different types of restrictions or criteria that apply to the legal description of your property and establishes land boundaries. Every Onyx homeowner gets access to the X Plus homeowner application within 24 hours of closing. The X Plus homeowner application gives you the following benefits. 1. Warranty policy and service claim requests. 2. Essential utility information. 3. Helpful contact numbers. The application can be accessed on your desktop computer or as an app on your smartphone. You will get an email containing a temporary username and password to access the X Plus homeowner application 24 hours after closing on your new home. You must follow the instructions in the email to register and set up your new password. Let's take a preview of the X Plus homeowner application. The homeowner profile section allows you to add a second user, change your password, and update your profile. The Onyx Home Warranty is an essential manual to understand all your warranty information. Please read it carefully before raising a warranty request. The Onyx Care team will review all Onyx Homes Limited warranty. The Warranty Service Request section is the easiest and quickest way to raise a warranty request and schedule a service. Here are the simple steps to follow. Raise a detailed warranty service claim submission. Provide an ideal time for home inspection. Provide pictures of the area or item needing service. An Onyx Care team member will visit and service your home according to warranty. When the warranty service is completed, the Onyx Care team will send you a confirmation email and a brief survey for your feedback. Your feedback is important to us and helps improve the Onyx homeowner experience. You will get manuals and warranties for all appliances with your welcome email and closing package 2 days after closing. All appliance services must be made directly to the appliance manufacturer. Limited home warranty terms and conditions must be reviewed if the property is sold or rented. Limited home warranty is not transferable. Your AC has a 5-year guarantee from the manufacturer. To extend it to 10 years, you must register the equipment with the manufacturer. Instructions on how to register and the serial number will be in the orientation package. The owner must purchase and replace the AC filter, according to the manufacturer's instructions to keep the AC equipment functioning properly. After closing, all utilities will only be left on for 3 business days after closing. To prevent any disruptions, it's crucial to promptly set up your utility accounts. Water. You must go in person to the Florida City Utilities Department to connect your water account. Electricity. Visit fpl.com to connect your electricity. Internet. Your homes come pre-wired for the internet. Reach out to Hotwire and fix an appointment. During the home visit, direct them to your low-voltage white connection box next to your electric panel. Trash collection. Once your water account is opened, a solid waste account is generated to receive your garbage bins. Waste management won't offer service immediately after your property closes. The essential preparations for disposing of large amounts of waste are the homeowner's responsibility. Please contact the Florida City Utilities for more details. Your garbage bin must be out by 7 a.m. on collection day, just past the curb line. The bin must be filled with all trash and placed at least 3 feet away from other items. The bin lid needs to be shut and pointed outward. Contact details for utilities, water, electricity, trash, and the internet can also be found in the Helpful Numbers section of the X Plus homeowner application. Homeowners will be given one set of keys once funds are cleared, not at closing. Funding confirmation takes 1 to 2 business days, especially if the closing takes place after business hours or on Fridays. We recommend rekeying the locks for your security. Your set of keys is the original set. There are no copies, and the set was used during construction. Onyx Homes is not responsible for any lost keys or stolen belongings. Homeowners are responsible for their own security. Onyx Homes has applied to register your address with the U.S. Postal Service. While mailboxes are in place, you may not receive your mail until USPS links the new address to your mailbox. Till this is linked, please pick up your mail at the nearest USPS. Our essential homeowner tips. Know where your emergency water line is and don't forget to change your AC filter, which should be done once a month. Your home is made of concrete. It's crucial not to drill deeper than 1 inch into the walls to prevent voiding the guarantee. At closing, you will get the community's rules and regulations. Homeowners must read and understand any restrictions to avoid fines and penalties. HOA contact information is available in the Helpful Numbers section of the X Plus homeowner application. Parking permit decals are required for each registered Alba community car. Parking permit decal must be applied to each car to identify it as an Alba community homeowner car, and all vehicles must be registered. The On Alba HOA contact can be found on this slide and on the X Plus homeowner application. These instructions only apply if you use Vantage Title and Escrow LLC, our preferred title company. Direct instructions for wire transfers will be sent to you by Vantage Title and Escrow LLC. Vantage will balance and complete the closing statement ALTA, and their office will email you the closing statements ALTA and wiring instructions. If you only receive wiring instructions, it is fraud. Always call Vantage to double-check the wire transfer instructions. Buyers can also get in touch with their lender to double-check that the amount is accurate and that the file is prepared for closing. These are the only accurate communication details for Vantage Title and Escrow, LLC. Please carefully read the email address. Even a single alphabet change, for example, at vantajptc.com or at vantagepta.com, is a fraud. Their office will never communicate using a third-party account such as gmail.com, yahoo.com, hotmail.com, WhatsApp, SMS, iMessage, or any other communication. This completes your home orientation. Here are the next steps. Please complete the questionnaire emailed to you and sign the acknowledgement confirming you have completed the home orientation. Once we receive your acknowledgement, we will reach out to you for a walkthrough appointment, an Onyx Homes and home buyer acknowledgement signature. We will then email you your closing date and time. For any modifications, stay in close contact with the title business and the sales office. The Onyx team will get in touch with you so that you can pick up your keys after we have received financing confirmation from the title. Thank you for watching our homeowners orientation video. A form and an acknowledgement will be emailed to you. Please check your email and fill in the details to complete the orientation.